Make the ground shake.
Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this video. Today I'll be taking you through a whole leg workout and showing you how to grow legs with simple and easy exercises. So yeah, let's go.
Just be careful now, love ain't simple now.
Okay, so start out with an easy weight and then just build up to the working sets afterwards.
Just be careful now, love ain't simple now. Promise me no promises.
Been working up to 320 kilos now. See how many reps you can get in.
Go, baby! You gotta get good! Easy. You gotta get good!
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Okay, so the next exercise, the butt extension, will be surrounded by a lot of volume, a ton of reps, and a lot of sets. And this is a more isolating exercise than the leg press and the squat. So yeah, let's go.
It's so easy to fall for each other. I'm just hoping we catch one another.
Oh nah, just be careful nah, love ain't simple nah. Promise me no promises. Oh nah, just be careful nah, love ain't simple nah. Promise me no promises.
Okay, so you want to aim for 15 reps, and when you've done the 15 reps, you want to do at least 5 reps more, so you get in that zone where it kind of hurts. You want to do 5 sets, and I know this is a lot, but you want to really focus on getting in the reps and getting in the sets that you need.
Just be careful, nah, love ain't simple, nah, promise me no promises. Oh, nah, just be careful, nah, love ain't simple, nah, promise me no promises.
Okay, so the third exercise will be the hamstring curls, and this is especially focusing on the back side of the thigh. And what you want to focus on here will be doing exactly 12 reps and going for minimal rest time, so maximum 30 seconds, and that'll be it. So yeah, crush it. Okay, so when training calves, I like to just sit down and train them, otherwise you'll get injured, especially when doing the standing calf raise. I find it very painful in the knees especially, so I just like to sit down and do it. When doing the movement, you don't want to count your reps. You just want to go to failure. So go all the way up to where it kind of hurts, and that's where you want to put a stop to it. Otherwise, you'll tear up a muscle or something.
Hoping we catch one another.
Oh, nah, nah, just be careful, nah, nah. Love ain't simple, nah, nah. Promise me no promises. Oh, nah, nah, just be careful, nah, nah. Love ain't simple, nah, nah. Promise me no promises. Oh, nah, nah.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Just remember to leave a like and subscribe down on the bottom. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep it real.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.